No, sir. This is not a money. Hey, yo! Take a good look.
I just see it, people. See that? It's a good look. Yeah, people. See that? Headed to the river, you know. Good Look TV. I showed us some different vibes today. On a Sunday. Now stay tuned. Yeah, people. See it there? Just enter in St. Louis and part in Jamaica. How is this name again, fam? Manchester. Yeah, Manchester. Yeah, Billy. It's a good look. See the people? Riverside settings. Yeah, people, them are forwarding. It's a good look. See it there? On bicycle. In a truck. Yeah, people, welcome again. A Good Look TV. The boy Marsh there already. I would have one party so called St. Louis Scotch Pass. Best river in a Jamaica. And we are showing you some good look. We are with
Chopper. Yeah, man. On the riverside line bank, you don't know. Ship. The bar on the side, same way. Everything organized and the food ready for the people them. So for today now, I have to do some steamed cabbage. The cabbage are well prepped up already. Some steamed cabbage. So I have the lobster them cut on the grill already. Sure. So for the grill today, I have one chicken, I have some drumstick that I go deal with.
okay.
And I have the lobster them that I go deal with.
Got the people.
So I have the lobster them for the grill, I have the drumstick, and I have a chicken.
So them lobster, yeah. You catch them lobster, yeah?
No, buy them. Okay.
It's a good look. It's a good look.
Yeah, it's a good,
It's a good look.
So, remember to subscribe to a Good Look TV. It's a good look, you know.
So brother, watch out. What are going on in our party?
I cook some peas and the cow skin to make it back. And the cow skin and the peas that look like they are ready to.
That is it. A good look.
A good look.
As you see people, see that it's a good look.
Look on that every man want her
Good look.
It's a good look.
Baby, don't worry. Here I go again. Another fuck song. Woman, surely cocky bully. Let me understand. You can get no better than my man. You are expert.
We are talking money, I'm gonna drive. We are working for hard and I chop up in fresh from the middle. It's a roast money hill. You now rap now, look now, show. I'm not sure food flavor in the guitar. Cherry, pineapple, guava, strawberry. Tastes exceptional, well. Patronize us, you now rap now, look now, show. Fresh from the bakery. Now the pumpkin seed. Grab a bag and get the children fast. Hustling you. You know what I mean? We're out here at tweet.
Take the paper.
See it, you know what I mean?
A good look.
We have the pit.
Wow, I have.
Cashew cake.
Yeah?
I have Iron Man.
Yeah?
Mixed nuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflowers, cashew, pistachio, almond, everything inside.
Yeah?
Almond and cashew. Peanut cake, cashew cake.
Yeah?
Gizzardo. In the gizzardo I have cherry, pineapple, guava, strawberry. Peanut gizzardo. Original gizzardo. Tastes exceptional well.
Yeah. Look at that paper. Yeah.
Lobster well buff.
Wow.
Don't garlic better down and thing I go and simmer.
Wow.
Yes, my man.
So how much of them are now, my J?
The 12 bills are one more. Yeah, man. And a fair day price like this.
Yeah.
12 bills are one, you know?
Yeah. Active. Yeah, man. Yo, my general, big up yourself too, you know, man. That is it, you know. A good look TV. Yeah.
Hello, baby. Come across the little bit full, no, baby. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's going on right
It's
here?
a good look going on right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see what you are doing with this.
You see me a knit one skirt.
Yeah, let's see. Wow.
See that one?
Real good look.
Real good look.
So, how long have you been doing this?
Like 3 years. Grandma did teach me.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you do this for yourself, like is this a personal? Because I see you is a good look. So I see you represent. So I don't know if this is a personal look.
Well, I make my own post.
Okay.
And people see it and like it.
Right.
So I start selling that way. But I start from making my own clothes.
Right.
You know, it's a good look because it's my look.
Right.
It's all original.
Authentic.
Yeah. On TikTok, Instagram, them call me Just Copper.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. And
Yeah.
we're going to put it in the description. They say make copper jewelry too.
We make the clothes, we make the copper, real and proper.
Real and proper.
Real and proper.
That is it.
We're here on this day on the reverse side. It's a good look TV. Check in on YouTube. You hear that? Yes, come here, man. Yes, sir. Bad man, you listen what I say. Yo, big up a good look TV, man. Yeah. Is it me now, man?
Nah, man, my friend. Where you say? It's a good look?
It's a good look TV. We are big up right now.
No, Joe.
The dog walk out this and little close still.
See there? Go looking at me. A pumpkin, yeah.
Boy, me I tell
It's
you.
a good look.
It's a good look.
Man, ready left player, just ready. One serving, $1,200. Play look more pretty when it's kind of dry. That's good.
That's a good look. You don't know where the right just upon the riverside, Scotch Pass, by the clean line. You know where they have that with a pipe. You know what things said. I agree with you selling up.
Yeah.
You want lemon, you want cherry pie, you want tangy, we have it. Push same way, we have lemon, right the foot. See?
Good look.
Yeah, man, it's a good look.
That is it.
What do you mean? Fire key, right, yes sir.
Where say I go on now?
Yeah man, you see it? One pan river chef, you see it?
It's a good look.
You see all them KFC chicken and them KFC and have them taste, you see it? Show them how I go on, you see it? A long time KFC had the formula, you see it? But we have the formula, you see it? No KFC, you see it? That is it, no KFC. You see me? Yeah. And you come a good day too, but a bad day because you see a French fry pork, you see it? That's a pork.
Go on.
Choppy line and done.
That is it, the Rasta.
Choppy line, you know, we need chop okra.
Oh.
Yeah, easy back on the riverside, you know. Lots of girls and you know, lots of fun. You just come over here. A lot of people can come over here.
Take the paper.
KXO, what you say? What you say, KXO? Alright? That is it. That is it, my father. You see the sister? Don't miss down a river. Come a river in a bikini. Please, come a river. One of the nice things that we have around here. Lobster, big pot, everything well up to date. Right, yes up. Yeah man. So you know everything around here will have a good look.
That is it.
Yeah. Good look. Yeah. Good look. See sexy woman in our pass. Wow. Look there. Them tickers. Look how them tick. Oh God. Tell them, man. Right there. You have a good look. Look come a river. It's a good look. A bikini and something. It's a good look. I'm Mr. Come River.
Yeah.
This is the Come River.
Yeah.
Bikini.
Yeah.
Don't pass. And watch I know. Stop ship. Let me show you more one. Come in. Come River. Alright, you now get none of that fun here. Come River. Lobster pan grill. Soap in a pot. Rich. Richer than rich. Yeah. Soap in a pot. Richer than rich. Never see that yet. Come River. You see me? See there? Come River. KFC chicken. Come River. You see that? Come River. This is that. Never miss. River. Splash. People say if you want to find me, one Roy Williams 6601. Go Tik Tok and you find me. And you will see all crazy things. Just follow me, you see? One go.
It's a good look to you. From Canada to Jamaica, you understand?
That is. You see the man a response for the whole riverside, yes sir.
Nice place. My name Wayne man down the river.
Yeah.
Yeah man. I appreciate that.
Real.
Yeah man.
But we'll see what you're going with, because you're trying umbrella here.
Yeah man. Thank the flavor.
See, you come at the
Yeah man.
riverside, you come at the
Yeah man.
riverside, you can get one.
You can get the drinks man, your beer and your rum and your Guinness and sell weed, you know, and sell cigarettes, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, we sell every little thing to try to make everybody feel alright, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man. We sell water, sell soda, soft drinks. Yeah man, sometimes we sell food, soup. Sometimes we cook one pot and have a nice day. Yeah man, and cook soup and sell it. Yeah man, but we are sellers man. Yeah man, we collect 3 bills on the car them. I will watch them and make sure say nobody no blocking at them or nothing.
Right.
Because that's a full job. So that we do, you know.
Right.
Yeah man, but we need one little more helping, you know. Just a little bit, you know. It's a good luck man.
Yeah.
Yes man.
Alright, big up yourself in a father way, yes sir?
Yeah man, give thanks and praise here.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
Yeah people, here you have it. Not a vibe, not a style. It's a good look TV. The boy Marsh there with you. Yeah. As you can see, a city vibe. People still are live. Still are forward. But remember, you know, subscribe.
Yeah, man.
Share. Like the content. Drop a comment up. See it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Real.
Right.
It's a good look.
Yeah, man, it's a good look.